Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. Today I'm going to be taking a look at horse riding accidents as part of our free legal advice video series, offering up some completely free advice along with information on what you need to do to speak to a law firm completely free of charge in order to see what your options are when it comes to bringing a claim for compensation. Being involved in a horse riding accident can be a truly scary experience, resulting in both physical and psychological suffering. The good news is, if your accident happened within the past 3 years, you may be able to claim. If you ride a horse on a regular basis, it's not unlikely that at some point you will be involved in an accident that results in an injury. You may have been injured by the horse itself from a bike kick or being thrown whilst riding. You could also have been injured whilst working on the horse, such as grooming it or working in the livery yard. You could have sustained an injury from poorly maintained equipment such as a saddle, reins or girth. You may also have sustained injuries from riding the horse and being involved in a road traffic accident. You could have been injured due to being placed in an unsuitable situation in regards to your skill level, like being given an unpredictable horse to ride. It could have been from the negligence of an instructor or other supervisory person. You could also have sustained injuries from falling from the horse whilst riding on an unsuitable surface. In the above circumstances, the person ultimately responsible for the accident may not be immediately obvious. This is why we recommend getting expert advice if you find yourself in any of these situations. For instance, did you know that if a horse escapes from a farm or stables and causes an injury, you should be able to claim against the owner of the horse, as the farm, stable or owner are responsible for its care, and those responsible need to ensure that it is safely secured at all times. In terms of advice that you can take away directly from this video, here are a couple of things that you can do in order to help strengthen your claim. Take photographs at the scene of the accident. Make inquiries as to who the owner of the horse is or the driver of the vehicle that caused the accident. Have your injuries assessed by a medical professional and note when this assessment took place. Get the contact details of any witnesses should a statement need to be taken from them at a later date. Make a note of any expenses incurred as a result of your accident. This can include medical costs, care costs, travel costs, the cost of any damaged personal items and the loss of any income or potential future earnings. Now, how to speak to someone from a law firm completely free of charge in relation to your horse riding accident. You can contact legalexpert.co.uk 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk, where we'll do our best to help you establish what your best course of action is. Following this consultation session, if we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there's no upfront fees to worry about, and if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same. And whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.